Hi guys, I hope you're all having a good day. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to propagate spider plants. Before we begin, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to the 95 subscribers that are currently subscribed to this channel. Thank you guys for your time and support. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe if you're into this sort of content. Thanks! To propagate, you can hold the leaves with one hand to avoid damaging the foliage and use the other hand to dig around the plant using a mini shovel so it will be easier to pull the mini bulbs or roots. Spider plant is not poisonous, so it's pretty safe if you've got pets or kids. After pulling it from the ground, you can just use your own hands to separate the bulbs. This is how it looks like in a different angle, so you could get a much better view of the pulling process. Just like the previous step, you can use your own hands to divide the plant. I just find it easier to divide them this way. You can use a knife to separate them, but the bulb may be damaged. If that happens, just replant the bulb and it'll grow a new leaf in time. We started with something as small as this one, and over the years, we managed to propagate them by doing the same propagation method I'm showing you. Once the plant is lush, you can just divide them, then repot. Plants grow and produce plantlets best when slightly pot bound. Because they grow quickly and the roots can easily become too crowded, they need frequent repotting to do their best. You can plant it directly into the ground or via container gardening, whatever works for your space. For the rest of the plants, I'll be using recycled plastic bottles cut into half. There are already holes underneath. This one is an empty margarine container. It's a popular alternative to butter here in the Philippines. Before using it as a planter, make sure that there are holes at the bottom. Since the soil is already compact, I'll be adding some rice hull to make the mix porous and for added aeration. Going back to spider plants, it is especially popular with beginners, being easy to grow and propagate, tolerant of neglect, and able to thrive in nearly any type of condition. Just grow it in a soil-based, well-draining potting mix. Spider plants like even moisture. They don't like to be too dry or too wet. The spider plant is one of the fastest indoor growing plants you can find. These easy to grow house plants look especially nice in a hanging basket, but for today's video we'll be using recycled plastic bottles for our sample container gardening. Spider plant is very easy to grow indoors in medium to bright light throughout the year. They can tolerate heavy shade, but their growth won't be as robust. It does well with average humidity and cool to average temperature, although it can tolerate warmer conditions. It's also better to remove the damaged leaves by simply pulling them before replanting or repotting the plant, so it'll look much better. Spider plants do not appreciate direct hot sunlight, which can burn their leaves, causing brown tips and spots. During initial growth, water occasionally, but once fully developed, just water it moderately, no? And that's it for today's video. If you've got any questions, comments, or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified whenever there's new content. Thanks for watching. Stay safe everyone. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.